Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Google Pixel 7a mobile phone. Check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, remove the rear cover from the body. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the phone backside down and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. You can also use a heat gun or hair dryer if needed. Some devices may need extra heat. Once heated, use a suction cup near the bottom edge to create a small gap. Insert a plastic car pry tool and carefully slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. Take your time in this step. Be gentle and only use the tip to avoid damage. Once the back cover is loose, open it slowly. There are no cables connecting the back cover to the board. Next, gently pry the flash flex from the midboard frame. And then remove the mid frame by undoing the 14 screws. Please note that one screw is missing on this device. Next, remove the bracket by undoing the screw and then disconnect the battery connector. Next, remove the faulty battery from the body. Start by gently peeling up the battery pull tabs. Hold the tabs firmly and slowly pull to release the battery from the adhesive. Be gentle during this step. If the battery feels firmly stuck, apply mild heat using a heat gun to soften the adhesive. If needed, carefully use a plastic pry tool to lift the battery. This process may take time. Be patient. Please try to avoid using isopropyl alcohol on this device. Once the battery is removed, clean the surface to remove any remaining adhesive. Finally, place the new battery into position and secure it with adhesive. And also position the pull tabs underneath the battery for future removal. Next, reconnect the battery connector and secure it by installing the bracket with the screw. Next, align the mid-frame. Make sure the flash flex passes through the opening and secure the frame with 14 screws. Also, attach the flash flex to the frame. Next, apply adhesive or B7000 glue around the edges. Carefully align the back cover with the body. Once aligned, apply even pressure around all edges to ensure proper seal. Finally, we are using bonding clips to secure the back cover. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.